Hey guys, I'm Galen with the GNR Diesel. So today we're talking about our 6-liter Powerstroke T4 Turbo Kit. It includes our machined aluminum billet pedestal. It includes an oil supply line, and it also includes the stainless up pipes. So this product was designed from using other products that did not install as easy as we would have liked to. So one of the coolest features is the turbo is able to install on the top half of the pedestal, and then the whole top half of the pedestal and the turbo installs onto the base for a very, very simple install. So this product is actually available in two different styles. One is for this S300 style turbo, and then we also offer a version for the S400 style. The cool part about it is our top half of the pedestal is machined 1 inch taller, so you don't have to deal with a spacer. It is all incorporated into the design. So on the pedestal, a couple of the really cool features is the oil drain. The oil drain goes out through the pedestal and into the H-pop cover. It also splits to aid in installing the turbo. So with the stainless up pipes, these are fully TIG welded. They include the high quality flex bellows, and when these are TIG welded, everything is purged to create a perfect leak-free weld. So to see this product and all of our other products, check us out on Facebook or Instagram, or go onto our website for more information or to place an order.